Pratik, please share your screen once more so I can explain things to the others through you. Please do share your screen again now, Pratik, and open up the market interface just once more for us all here. Go ahead and navigate over towards what we call our dashboard area. Whenever we run any campaign at all within this system of ours, our main focus will always be centered around how exactly our offer is being optimized specifically in Google Ads platform itself. You need indeed to focus a lot on this particular aspect very carefully. Once you have achieved optimization successfully, you will then see quite clearly an impressive result, and it will show you a remarkable 3x result overall. Scroll down just a bit further if needed. You can observe right here that there have been 11 calls made already today alone. Correct? Out of these total 11 calls mentioned earlier, 2 are currently still on hold status, but they shall definitely be approved within merely 1 day or perhaps 2 days maximum time frame. The primary thing which we absolutely must do moving forward into future times is setting up an efficient system whereby when precisely our bid strategy has been put firmly into place properly, 5, maybe even 6 out of those initial 11 calls could potentially get approved eventually. You can easily see earning chances presented right here before us because achieving 3x earnings really isn't difficult whatsoever, given current circumstances present themselves favorably like this situation does now. It's truly quite simple method indeed. That's why I'm telling you that whatever you need to do, whenever you are running your ad, the most important thing to focus on is optimizing your Google Ads account properly. Once our ad account is well optimized, it will automatically yield conversions for you. So it is the setup videos. I have provided you in Anjum, you will see them in the drive links given. There are setup videos in there, and you can watch the one titled 2025, say 6 times, watch it 6 times, or 7 times, watch it 7 times. There, set it up according to the step-by-step instructions I have created for you. After setting it up, open your Google Ads once, go to Pratik Home. And what we need to focus on is generating as many calls as possible with a very low CPC. This should be in our minds. All right, once I share my screen, which I am about to do in just a moment, I will explain everything to you all properly and in detail. Just a second, get your screen ready and make sure you are prepared to follow along. Let me explain the main thing to you. In a comprehensive manner, whenever we are in the process of optimization, if I have taken 14 calls and qualified 4, my situation is the same as yours, and this is a common scenario we all face. Optimization is a crucial part of our strategy, and understanding it thoroughly is essential for success. If our CPC, which stands for cost per click, is going very low here, and if we manage to keep the CPC very low consistently, we can make a decent profit, which is ultimately our goal. The CPC is a key metric that directly impacts our profitability, and maintaining it at a low level is vital. The main game or the primary objective is what I am teaching you all, which is how to effectively use the Google Ads account to get as many conversions as possible at a very low CPC, ensuring maximum efficiency and profitability. Google Ads is a powerful tool, and mastering it can significantly boost our results. If anyone has any questions, feel free to ask on WhatsApp, where I am available to provide further clarification. WhatsApp is a convenient platform for quick communication, and I encourage you to use it for any queries. If anyone has any questions related to this specific topic, ask me directly. The method I have given, attack it with full focus and dedication. The same method I have given you in the playlist, whether it's for calls or search, watch it carefully to understand what I have done there, as it is crucial for your understanding. You will understand what I am doing once you follow the steps outlined. You need to use the same method, as it has been proven effective. The tutorials are already uploaded in the drive. And if you have looked carefully, you might not know where things are uploaded because you haven't checked the drive thoroughly. The video titled 2025 is mentioned there, and you need to watch it to gain further insights. The tutorials are a valuable resource, and watching them will enhance your understanding. If anyone has any more questions, it takes 5 days to complete the beta set learning, which is a comprehensive learning module. And if anyone has any more questions, I think all your questions are solved, but feel free to reach out if you need further assistance. The beta set learning is designed to provide a deep understanding of the concepts, and completing it will equip you with the necessary skills.